In this video, we are going to discuss the third process in service operation, which is incident management. So, what is an incident management? An incident management is, in one liner you can see, incident management is restoring services as soon as possible. So, we restore the services when we got a disruption to the service as soon as possible is called incident management. So, coming to the objectives of incident management are to restore normal service operation as quickly as possible. So, normal means here as per the agreed service level agreement, that is also categorized into two types called response SLA as well as resolution SLA. To log and track incidents wherever applicable, that is proactive measure. So, to log and to track the incidents wherever applicable when you get a service desk incoming call or when you get an email. So, based on this also is considered as one of the objectives of incident management. To deal with all incident consistently. So, to deal with all the type of issues consistently also comes under the objective in incident management. To assist problem management team as required. So, to assist problem management team based on the requirement. To assist service desk or release team for any request for changes. So, coming to the next key concepts of the incident management are incident. So, what is an incident? An occurrence of events which disrupt or can potentially disrupt the normal service operation is called an incident. So, when a service is promised to the customer, if any service disruption in a normal SLA based is called as an incident. So, what is a problem? A problem is a set of incidents with similar underlying unknown cause. So, what is an unknown cause? A root cause of one or more incident is an unknown cause. Coming to the priority, escalation mechanisms and incident life cycle. So, what is a priority? Priority means impact into urgency. That means impact is directly proportional to urgency also. So, what is an impact? Evidence of effect upon business activities. So, we have an evidence of the effect on the business activities. This is considered as an impact to the business. So, based on this the priority can be increased or decreased. Coming to urgency, evidence of effect upon the business deadlines. So, evidence, when we have an evidence of effect on the business deadlines based on the SLAs, this urgency can be increased or decreased. Coming to escalation mechanisms, there are two types of escalation mechanisms. The first one is functional escalation and the second one is hierarchical escalations. So, what is a functional escalation? Through various functions or support group levels. So, this is done through various support groups, like if you consider a network failure, sometimes a network team or else sometimes the storage team also will be coordinating based on the network switch failure or a storage device failure, etc. Hierarchical escalations through organizational hierarchies, that means through service desk staff, service desk team lead, service desk manager and service line manager, etc. So, coming to the incident life cycle. So, how an incident life cycle is designed here? When an incident is detected and it is recorded, classification and initial support is provided to that issue. After that, they categorize it as a request or an incident. If it is a request, then they will go with request fulfillment procedure. From there, they will go with the resolution and recovery and the incident or the request is closed. If it is not a request, then investigation and diagnostics is performed on the issue and resolution and recovery can be performed again and the incident is closed. In all these steps, the ownership, monitoring, tracking and communication should be very clear with the customer. So, this is the incident life cycle, and about these single points will be discussed in detail in the coming videos.